Vocabulary quiz set 6.9. Some helpful hints. Skip around, do the easy ones first. Cross off answers as you go. Listen to it being read out loud. And you can always start with the back page if you need to or if that's easier. All right, so part 1, matching. You're going to write the letter in the blanks. First half, we have jubilant, distinct, interpret, indifferent, abide, and orient. A, to adjust or adapt to a new situation. B, to live in a place or to have patience with. C, not alike, different from others. D, showing great joy or excitement. E, to explain the meaning or purpose of. F, having or showing lack of interest. In part 2, we have evident, originate, impulse, sector, approximate, and dismal. G, dreary, gloomy, drab. H, almost exact or correct. I, to bring into being, to create. J, clear or plain to see. K, a sudden wish or urge to do something. L, a part or division of something. All right, fill in the blanks. In our word bank, we have approximate, dismal, sector, indifferent, evident, orient, originate, abide, impulse, distinct, jubilant, and interpret. Number 1, when I saw the spider on my shoe, I had a blank to scream. Two, the blank time left for class is 10 minutes. Three, most students blank near the school. 4, the muddy shoes made it blank that it was raining. 5, each group was assigned to a blank of the city to clean up. 6, one of the twins had a blank birthmark on her ankle. 7, on the blank rainy day, I cleaned my bedroom. 8, the Eagles were blank when they won the Super Bowl. 9, the celebrity was first to blank the fashion trend. 10, I am blank to the newest style sneaker. Doesn't matter if I get a pair or not. 11, I did not blank to rules of the game. To the rules of the game, so I was disqualified. Again, I did not blank to the rules of the game, so I was disqualified. And 12, how do you blank these words? I don't understand and I need help.